All right, took a couple minutes here to put everything together. Got the clamp to hold your work down. The bag on. Carrying handle on, which makes it so much easier to carry around. Put the batteries in for the laser. That's what the laser looks like. Not bad inside. I don't know about outside, but not bad inside. Blade already came on the saw. Came with a 24 tooth general purpose blade. Been messing around with it, and it doesn't have a switch that you'd use to move the positive stops, but it does. You push down on the handle and it will go to all the positive stops you want: 15, 22 and a half, 31 and a half, and 45. And once you get it locked down or where you want it, there's a button here that you push, a toggle switch, and it locks it in place where it can't be moved. So it's space saving for sure. All right, let's throw a battery in it and see how she sounds. I'm using a 3 amp Ryobi battery. Oh, okay. There's a safety switch on the side you have to push with your finger. And it'll stay on. You let go of it and it'll stay on. So hit the button again and it shuts on. And let's try a piece of wood and see how it does. Do a simple 2x4 and see how well it cuts. Let me set up my thing here. Pretty clean cut for 7¼ inch. Like I said, probably the max you can cut on this thing would be a 2x4. Seems to work pretty well. I'll find out more when I use it more on a job. See how well it cuts miters and everything else. Well, it does adjust to on this back, so you can do your miter cuts. It's only one side though, you can't do both sides. So I'll try a 45-degree cut, see how it does. Came out pretty well. Not bad for $99. Lightweight, convenient. I guess more powerful the bigger battery you put on it, which makes sense. Yep, that's my review of the Ryobi 7¼ inch 18 volts miter saw. Check it out if you want some convenience, some lightweight, easy to transport around. You don't have to worry about bringing a large or long power cable plug in. Check it out, homedepot.com. Thanks guys, this is Tracy from T-Dogs Woodworks. You guys have a great day.